Don't touch that. Molly, I knew it. Let's cover the double chin. Okay.
Så viene ine kokotrei rula, kri, så viene ine kokotrei rula, ki for restera, tre, 1, 2, 3.
My turn. Wait. She's Morgan. She's my sister.
This is Pepperoni, my Chinese exchange student.
Okay, so she's gonna try Italian food for the first time. These are good. Okay, you open them. Luke loves them. Luke. Here's our father. And yeah. That's big.
It's like really wet.
Compared to normal Cheetos?
Se non ti leche. Or is that an exclamation mark?
No, it's not.
That's an I. Okay. Le dita godi solo a metà.
In real Italian, it would be se non ti lecchi le dita, godi solo a metà.
Exactly.
And it means if you don't do this, what you're doing right now, you like enjoy only like for half of it. Like, I don't know what to say. Do you like that? Mm-hmm. Give a rate.
1 through 10 or 1 through 5?
To 10.
5.
These are. How would you read them?
Is that an E?
Yeah.
Okay. Gocchiole.
Gocciole.
I knew that was gonna be like a ch, but it's double C.
That's
chocolate.
These are live. I love them. They're so good. You have to like them. Try one.
Sorry. In the shape of a pear.
They're biscuits.
Cookies. It literally says cookie on it.
Where?
Definitely could use some milk.
Yeah. Dry.
If it had milk, it'd be a good 7.
But, okay, I'm gonna open them. I don't really know how. I shouldn't leave.
Go.
You like them?
Mm-hmm.
Wait.
7. I love that way.
That was okay. The last ones that are my favorite, but you should definitely eat them with milk.
Okay.
I love them. They're so good.
Look like donuts. Or Nilla wafers.
Yeah, because they're like this. I love this. You want one?
Oh my god.
You have to eat this with milk, but they're super good. In milk, they are live.
I give these a
0?
6.
Okay, that's a 6. Machine.
With milk, it'd probably be like at 8 or 9.
Yeah. Pavazzini.
Okay.
Do you want to open them? Don't break them.
Ew.
Well,
These look so ugly.
just
Like hair.
yeah, they're kind of. Do you want to try them with milk? What? Do you like them?
I don't know.
I know. Yeah, this is like. Okay, she doesn't like Pavazzini. So here we are. Amaretti. I'm gonna open it. They're in little packages.
Oh.
Can you smell it?
No, it's just like a bread. It looks like bread.
No, it's weird. Why are you looking at me like that? I don't know.
I can't open it. Ew, I can smell it. Almond extract.
That.
Yeah, no.
Do you like it?
I hate this more than the air wafers or whatever I just had.
You don't like it? Me neither. This is Panfort.
Since 1832.
Well, it looks like that. I don't know if you can really see it, but okay. I'm gonna just cut it from here. Did it?
It
smells bad.
Smell it. I definitely want the smaller piece.
I took the smaller. I actually like it. You don't like it?
No, you can eat it.
I don't.
No.
It's
like a jelly cake solidified, and I feel like it has peppers in it. And I don't like the texture at all.
Great. Zero. She doesn't like panforte. Le girelle! These are super famous in Italy.
Then maybe I was pronouncing it in Spanish.
No.
With the H and the double L-Y. Why is everything in another plastic package?
Oh yeah.
You Italians are trying to ruin the environment. They
Save
look like
the
cinnamon
tomatoes.
rolls.
They're not cinnamon rolls.
No, they're not cinnamon rolls.
They're-
They are girella.
There is chocolate.
Punto.
Chocolate. Do you like it?
Yeah. It's like a zebra cake.
I know that's why
It's
you're
good
not gonna
though.
Rate.
8.
Then I have these candies.
Ooh,
These are
there's 2 of them.
Yeah.
Oh, is it like Coke?
This kind, yes.
Oh. Okay.
Give me the other one.
Oh. Are they supposed to be like chewy?
I know. I know. They're supposed to be like this. Just taste it.
The flavors are good. I just don't know whether to suck on it or chew it. So I'm doing both.
I actually don't know. Rate 8. I mean, this is a panettone, which is a dessert from Italy that we eat in Italy for Christmas.
Dulce. That's cookie in Spanish. Oh. That looks gross.
It's not.
It looks burnt and old.
Smell it.
Is it just bread?
I don't know if it's private, but it's good. This is good.
It looks like a big muffin.
The rest of it.
I'm not eating a whole slice of that.
Yeah, we're gonna leave it. Here it is. It's yellow on this side.
Shut up! I do this.
I'm just not the best person to cut
You
things.
could have just stopped that person.
I'm a good person. Do you like it?
I don't like whatever berries are in this thing.
Did you try them?
No, I just don't want to.
Try them with that.
No. I don't want it anymore.
Did you eat it with this?
I did try one. I did not like it.
Okay.
Okay.
But do you like the rest?
Yeah.
What do you think about it?
It tastes like bread, so I'm gonna say 9.
So what's the thing that you like the most?
The cinnamon roll thing.
Really?
Yeah.
Decide.
Thanks for watching.
So we're doing something right. Why she
Have
decided?
a good life. Go do something productive.
Like,
That's probably so creepy.
adios.
Feels beef. It's still going.
That's the mess that we have. Okay, bye.
Bye.